What I really like about this buffalo chicken dip is this crunchy garlic topping. And it doesn't really have a whole lot there. No, I'm just kind of bumbling on here. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, where I share my family's favorite recipes and short, easy steps that hopefully will inspire you to have fun in your kitchen. And if you haven't already, please subscribe or hit the like button down below, and feel free to leave a comment too. I love hearing from you. Today I'm making a tangy buffalo chicken dip that's smooth and creamy. You can keep it low carb by pairing it with celery sticks or mix it into mini pasta shells for a decadent buffalo chicken mac and cheese. What I really like about this buffalo chicken dip is this crunchy garlic topping. It's more tangy than it is spicy, and it's got these great little crispy flakes of garlic. If you don't have a good international grocery store, you can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link for that down below. Saute 6 ounces of cubed chicken in butter with salt and pepper. When that's browned, set it aside. Melt 2 tablespoons butter over low to medium heat and gently soften 2 minced garlic cloves. Deglaze with chicken broth and reduce. Then add 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of the Asian topping, and a ½ cup Frank's hot sauce. Stir until smooth and then add the chicken back in. Just top it with some green onions and you are done. That is it. And this is so good. It's tangy, it's got some heat, but not too spicy. And that garlic is like kapow. It is so good. I really like this over zucchini noodles with chips or celery sticks. For an awesome twist on mac and cheese, mix in some broken up Ritz crackers with the sauce and pasta. You will love the crunch. Thank you so much for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. Remember, if you want to print this recipe out, the link is down below. And if you try this, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Man, I love that sound.